Okay, hi, mabuhay. Welcome back. It's so scary. Well, welcome back to the Adventures of Miss Chuchubells. And as always, I'm Victoria. So for today, we're going to play again with the Tati palette. So we're going to create a look. I'm not so sure what look I want to do for the tutorial, but if you want to find out and learn with me, stay tuned, keep on watching, and let's get started. Okay, so I'm back. So this is how I decided to use the poet roll. So I will show you how I used it from the matte, sequence, and metallic. And I did dip into aura a little bit. So yeah, so let's start. Let's start. So we're going to use poet sequence with a Morphe M426. It's a little like packing brush. So just tap once, dip, tap. Then I'm going to put it all over my uh, eyelids. So from here, I'll start from the bottom, just tapping, and I'll go up, maybe up to almost my crease, and then I'll build it up. Same, just tap, tap, tap. Can you see that? Were you able to see me just now? Anyways, Victoria, I have to be mindful. How do I do this? Okay, so just tap, tap, tap. This my eyesight is quite bad. I think I should put a mirror here, or should. And then when I'm a bit happy, I would just at the corner, I would flick it a bit, so to create this illusion that your eyes are lifted, even though you know in reality it's not. But I would just do this ever so lightly. I would not put any definition yet because I'll be using the matte shade for that. But if you notice, I don't go over this is my actual crease, so I try to put the colors just on my lower eyelids. The next is I'll get this I think this is a Juno brush, ES08. I'll tap into poet matte, tap the excess, and then I will concentrate on my how do you call this, outer corner. So I'll just tap, tap, tap. Just tap it first, and then slowly, and then I think I should do this. And then when you reach a certain point that you know you're in your outer V, tilt. This is your crease. Just like connect it to your crease. So you would have this V shape like that. So just continue connecting, connecting and connecting. And you just want to concentrate this at the outer corner and remember to pull it up. Don't get worried that it's too harsh at the moment because we're going to clean that up. So if you see, what I'm doing is I'm just ever lightly, now I'm above my crease, more onto my orbital bone. If you open your eyes, you can actually see the color. So you can do this two ways. It's either you tilt and then you start to draw. I think draw because you're using a pencil brush, or you can open your eyes, look straight, and then just ever so slightly, but stop somewhere after the halfway mark. You don't need to put it all over inside. Everything should be concentrated at this side. Can you see? And then I'll tilt and fill in the blanks. I would change a brush in a while, but I just want all the colors to be laid down first, because this eyeshadow is, yes, it's pigmented, but it's also like you can blend it out. I'll show you how I actually blend. So once I like this, I'll take whatever excess I have and again put it on my lower lash line. Again, I know it looks harsh, but bear with me. We're going to blend it out in a bit. Now it looks like all the harsh lines, but it's okay, don't panic. We can actually blend. So get a smaller, fluffier brush. For hooded eyes, you just need like small things. So I'm using the Miniso brush. I forgot what it's called, but I got this from Miniso. So with nothing on it yet, I would actually start and blend by doing like circular motions and then left and right. But I would be dragging this like a bit and then circular motions. If you see, you're blowing it out, which is okay. That's what we wanted. We don't want any harsh colors at the upper eyelid. You just like it to be faded. The color is there, but it's not like intensified. And then, so what you saw what I did, I would flick it up to like a wing, and then once I have all the colors here, I would blend it in. Blend, 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 using circular motions. And I would only like blend it or windshield wiper motion like up to like a little bit after the halfway mark of my eye. And then you can see we're already having like this, not ombre, it's like it's dark going to the light, lighter going to the light. Don't be intimidated when you're using eyeshadows. It's actually just practice. What I usually do is I would, at night before I would remove my makeup, I would try on different looks. Since you're removing your makeup, take the opportunity to actually play with different looks and different colors. The downside is because I'm in my room, so the lights will not be like good, but I get to practice whatever I watch on YouTube. So now I'll get to the pencil brush and dip back to Poet Matte. And I just want to concentrate here at the outer V, at least the outer corner. So I'll just like put some more because I would not be using any black eyeshadows, or I would not even use eyeliner. I would just use this. And then again, don't forget the flick so that you would have this. Then darken just the outer V part. It's just like basically darkening up the outer corner. And then from there, take again your Miniso brush and then just blend it ever so slightly. Then whatever you have left, this is the time to actually blend out your lower lash line. Don't be scared that you still have those harsh lines because we will fix it later. Why did I do this other eye? I already finished it. Oh my goodness. So now is I would take a Morphe M48. It's actually a packing brush. Then I'll go in Poet Metallic. So I will just put. So I would start from the inner corner going out, and then I would just put it like on my up to my crease. So it's tap and then swipe, tap and swipe. And then if you need some more, just come back. Then can you see, using this brush I can actually carve out, if I wanted to, my eyes. Okay, last but not the least, oh my god, I didn't notice that doing eyeshadow would actually make you tired. So look and see whether it's the same. I hope it's the same. I'm taking this Morphe M435, I guess, and I need to dip into Aura and Aura Metallic, and I'll put this at the inner corner because Poet is, did I use Poet? Yes. Poet is a nice color, but again, if you have hooded eyes, you want this like side inner corner to be a little bit lighter. That's why we didn't pull all the colors in, but by dipping into Aura, you can use the matte shade if you wanted to also, but I just want a little bit of sparkle. I needed some more, so let's step back. And then take Aura again, and then don't forget to put it in your eyebrow. Then assess everything and see whether you like what you saw. Then time to clean it up by my usual trick. Let's clean it up. I know I still have a bit of concealer here, so then tap, then do the other side, then do your shebang and all. I'll put on mascara. You've seen me put my mascara like 10,000 times, so I'll do everything and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So I put on some mascara. I used the Essence mascara, and itchy hand, I did put I used an Essence eyeliner to tightline. Can you see that? My lower lash line, and I did flick it a bit so that, because I just find it like it needed a little bit of that definition at my outer corners. So that's it. So if you like me doing this type of tutorials, please give this video a big thumbs up and maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and let me know what other type of eyeshadow eye look tutorials you actually want me to do and teach you guys, because I am still learning. I've been able to, how to say it, love my hooded eyes. It's not that I didn't like my hooded eyes growing up, but I do. But I now is a little bit comfortable in like teaching people on how to do an eye look. So, and then don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos at least once a week. So till my next adventure, please remember to be courageous, kind, and a blessing.